Hi students, how are you all? Welcome in our SS lecture, and we have chapter 8, India, Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. In our earlier period, we have seen about the climate and weather conditions. You know well that India has extreme climate in it is a changes throughout the places of all places that climate is changing. You know well India has that climate, different climates and weather conditions in all other places, and because of that how that changes happening in the country, that we'll see. Natural vegetation is there. It refers to the nature growth of the plants without interference of humans. The climate of India is there. You know, the climate of India has a greatly influenced and its a vegetation in good, and the climate of India, its influence its a vegetation cover which includes that grass, shrubs, trees and most of that wildlife associated with it. In short, the climate of India, it because of that climate of India, we have a variety of trees, grass, shrubs, plants, and wildlife in the forest. So, in there are in India, there is a vast differences in climate and weather in different places, and even soil also different in different parts of the country. So, because of that climate and conditions and the soil in different parts, we have divided that natural vegetation of India can be divided into five major that parts or five major types. So you see that the natural vegetation in India is divided into tropical rainforest, then tropical deciduous forest, desert vegetation, and mountain vegetation and mangrove forest. So this is there. It is divided into five major categories. So first we'll see about the tropical rain forest. So first of all, we'll see about tropical rain forest. The tropical rain forests are there. They are found in the regions where there is a heavy rainfall. Which is more than 200 centimeters. They are very. Will find this kind of tropical rainforest in the places with the heavy rainfall about that 200 centimeters, and very hot and humid climate it requires. In India, the slopes of the northern plains are there and western ghats are there. The hills in the eastern India, the Andaman and the Nicobar Island, they have that the tropical rain forest, which are the green throughout the year. The Odisha have the natural vegetation, and the forest is the dense and it's a very thick forest. Odisha, they have natural vegetation, and these forests are so dense and that even sunlight can't reach. These forests are there that throughout the whole year it will be green. Even the sunlight also can't reach that much, that dense is there, and they are evergreen throughout the whole year. And mostly in this forest, that ebony, mahogany, then chinchilla, rosewood, these were trees, and that wild rubbers and bamboos are there. These grows. This is the vegetation in this place. You can see that ebony, mahogany, and chinchilla, then rosewood. This kind of trees will grow here, and wild rubber and bamboos are the main plants. Then we'll see about that tropical, that deciduous forest. A large part of India they have this tropical deciduous forest, and this is and monsoon forest also we can say. They are found in most of the part in our country which have an average rainfall. Most of the part in our country which have an average rainfall, it's about that 70 degrees centimeter to the 20 centimeter, 200 centimeter, 70 centimeter to the 200 centimeter rain is there. It means the average rain is there. There we found this tropical deciduous forest, and these trees here are there mostly sal, teak, rosewood. Then some trees are found here. Then it brings that rainfall. The beginning of summer, the trees here shed their leaves. The trees here shed their leaves in the summer season. Mostly the trees are there. They are that sal, teak, then rosewood, and some grasses will find here. So see some neem, people, and are the some trees will find in this forest. So that the main regions covered by the tropical, that deciduous forest. So most of the part the country that is covered with the tropical deciduous forest, it receives that it's get that average rainfall 70 centimeter to that 200 centimeter, and mostly the Deccan, the wet portions of Deccan, this forest we can get. The foothills of the Himalayas and northern plains of Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand, they have this kind of forest. Desert vegetation. Now we have desert vegetation. Desert vegetation is found in the dry areas where there is a less rainfall and little rain is there. In the Rajasthan, Gujarat, then Punjab, Haryana. These all places it has a trees of like kikar, babul, and cacti and acacia. These are the trees we will found in the desert regions. Deserts are dry throughout the year. It has just average rainfall. Very less rainfall will be there, and they are dry on thorny bushes and the kikar, babul, acacia, cacti. These are trees grown in this that desert, which have long root, and it's a deep root, and the trees are that leaves are very short. So does not waste their moisture. It can drink water. They have deep roots, so they can use underground water. So the trees are here. They are very short and have bushes and shrubs, thorny and waxy. That leaves are there. So the plants are there, thick and burnt, and they have deep roots. So which helps them to absorb the water, and the thorny leaves are there. So they have less that moisture, and they can use the moist water, which helps to absorb water, and the deep inside the land, the root is there. It helps to get the water, and hence trees are there that shrubs are able to withstand and survive in commonly and extremely in these hot and dry conditions. Then mountain forest. Then we have some mountain forest. This type of forests are found in the mountain regions, and it depends on the altitude, because as we go that higher and we have low temperature and the temperature decreases, so the tropical deciduous that forests are there that found here in the foothills of the Himalayas, and Shivalik range is there on the plains of the Himalayas, the mountain, Shivalik range, and its important trees are found here as altitude increases and the temperature is that decreased. So the trees are evergreen throughout the whole year, as you know, the height between 1,800 that meter to the 2,800 meter, as we find that countries trees and most of the shaped are their leaves, that is the needle shaped leaves are there of the trees, and like pine, deodar, then cedar are the examples of some trees. They have that sharp leaves and it heights of above 3,500 meter. Alpine trees and shrubs are found. Mangrove forests are there. Mangrove forests are found in the swampy areas which washed by tidal waters, and they also call them tidal forest. And they can survive in the north in both the fresh and the salty water. They are found mostly in coastal areas and coastal regions like that backwater, tidal creeks and marshy. The in India, the eastern coast of India with many delta formed like delta of Ganga and the Sundarban delta. They have this kind of that mangrove forest in the islands of the Andaman Nicobar, and Brahmaputra, Godavari rivers, they form this mangrove forest. Then importance of forests are there. Forests are important to us in many ways, and they provide us natural resources and very useful to us. The plants in the forest and the trees, they absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, fresh air for us. They provide us wood for the fuel, and they provide necessary for the humans like gum, fuel, fruits, flowers, and many things they provide to us. They are the shelter of many animals and birds. They provide necessary for the humans. They provide soil erosion by binding the soil with their roots, and they increases the moisture content in the air, thus it results as a rainfall. They check flood by holding the water, and many ways the trees are there, they useful to us. Protection of the forest. In India, cutting down the trees for the commercial use, it is in the large scale, and clearing the forest, it is called deforestation. So the crops had to lead the depletion of the forest. So we should have to stop the cutting of the trees, and at least we should have to grow more trees. We try to grow more trees, and we should that cutting of trees on large scale, we should stop that. We'll have to grow more and more trees. The government of India is there has initiated many programs and projects to conserve and protect forest and wildlife. Then we see the wildlife, that India's wildlife. Indian forests are the homes of many animals and many creatures. More than nearly 89,000 species of animals found in the forest here in India. The elephant, which is the largest mammal found on the earth in our country, the forest of Assam and Bengal, Karnataka and Kerala and Tamil Nadu, this kind of that animal means that elephant we can see. Then one-horned rhino is there, is found mostly, one-horned rhino will found mostly in the Assam and West Bengal. One-horned rhino will find in mostly in the Assam and West Bengal, and it is an end-landed animal. Many that coaches kills the rhino for horn, and it is used in medicinal that quantities. So one horn rhino is the home of that. Its home is the Assam, and it is killed for that horn. India is famous for its lions and tigers also. Lions and tigers will find here in India. It is found in the foothills of the Himalayas and the monsoon forest, in central and the southern India and the Sundarbans and in the Ganga and Brahmaputra delta will find tigers. The Asiatic that lions is found in the Gir forest in Gujarat, and leopards are mostly common, almost common in all forests. The Indian bison is known as the gaur. It also found in the Chota Nagpur and the plateaus and peninsula of India. Then different that species of deer, antelopes and monkeys are also found in the various parts of our country. Variety of that reptiles like snakes, crocodiles, chameleons, alligators and are found in the marshy that areas. Our country is also that home of more than 1000 that species of the birds like the peacocks, kingfishers, peanuts, pigeons, doves, pigeons, and many other animals like cranes will find in this area. Then, protecting of the wildlife due to hunting of animals and the cutting down of the trees of forest, they are covering the forest. Wildlife species in India are becoming extinct, and to preserve this and to preserve and to protect this wildlife, a number of wild sanctuaries are built to protect these all wild animals. Bird sanctuaries also built. National parks are also set up in India. The major national park and the sanctuaries are there, and are like Corbett National Park, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, Kanha National Park, and Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary, and that Periyar National Park, Gir, and that Bandhavgarh, Gir and Bandhavgarh National that Park, Project Tiger and Project Elephant are the initiatives that have been launched to save and protect our valuable animals. So it is very important to protect our wild animals, and that many projects and many schemes are launched to protect these all that animals. So in India we will find a variety of animals because of that in other all forests. So I hope you understand these all legal information and chapter well. Okay, thank you children. Bye.